Okay. Last week was very, very good. So let us look how market will play out for next week. Let us start with a simple setup, simple pairs, and then we can see gold. You can make top-down analysis on Goldie. So this is GBP JPY. Let's start with the GBP JPY. That is daily time frame. Today chap, that's daily time frame. Daily time frame bias is bullish, as you see. Price rejected on that that specific demand. So another way is upward trend. So you can see price reacted on that demand. Also, you can see the retracement after that impulsive move. We have that retracement where price reacted on that FVG right here. Price reacted on that FVG on daily time frame. Also, it closed with a manipulation. So the target is here for next week. Target is to reach that point, that previous day high. Okay. So we have to find buy on discount zone. Shift your time frame to 1 hour time frame. Shift your time frame to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, what is detail available? When we inspect here on daily time frame, you can recognize that there is market shift. Also, there is sweep. There is liquidity sweep here. Also, there is a fair value gap here. There is fair value gap here, which combined with that breaker block, so it's created a unicorn model. It is a very strong model, unicorn model. Okay, so that FVG it located on discount zone. It located on discount zone, optimal entry zone. So it will be powerful. It will be powerful zone. So what you're supposed to do, wait price retracement to that area, and then we take a buy from that discount zone, and then we'll hold that trade until where? Can use extension. We can use extension to get the next target. When we use extension, can get next target. That will be our next taking profit target. But our taking profit number one to be where? Our taking profit number one will be on that previous high. TP1, it will be on that previous high. And then TP2, it will be on that extension level. That will be our taking profit number two. Okay, very, very simple. That is GBP JPY. Very, very simple. Simple setup. Simple setup. So for next week on DJ, you have to wait retracement to that discount level and then wait confirmation or rejection or reversal pattern on our time frame, and then get in for a long position, hold your entry until it reach your taking profit target. Okay, that is it on GBP JPY. So let us see gold. Tuangalie gold top-down analysis. Let us see top-down analysis on gold. We can start with the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, monthly bias is bullish, as you see. Previous month was the bullish, very, very strong bullish, okay? So previous month is bullish. We're supposed to find a buy this month. But weekly time frame, on weekly time frame, we have that details. We have that details. Okay, on weekly time frame, you can see there is demand resting below here and mitigated demand. Also, we have rejection candle over here. So that indicates what? Downtrend continuation until price reach that demand, and then we may experience a reversal pattern from that weekly demand. So for next week, you have to find short position until price it reach that weekly demand. Also, that weekly demand position when you shift our time frame to daily time frame, you can recognize that there is daily demand within weekly demand. So if there is daily demand within weekly demand, this retracement may be a deep retracement until price it reaches that daily demand, because daily demand is located within weekly demand. So that is our target for next week. So we have find short position for next week. Shift your time frame to lower time frame for higher time frame. And for higher time frame, we have market structure like this. Okay. Let's start to analyze this market structure. Here we have liquidity sweep. You can see there is very beautiful liquidity sweep over here. You can see this external range liquidity is swept already. Is already swept. Okay. So you have to find a short position until price it retrace, because that is retracement to that discount, and then you can get another impulsive move from that discount level. That one was impulsive. So after that impulsive, we're expecting corrective move, and then we can get another impulsive move. Okay. After understanding that concept, come here on this area. When you come on that area, find daily bias. Daily bias can see on daily time frame, there is very good rejection candle. You can see there is rejection candle on manipulation candle over here. So if there is manipulation candle over here, taking profit number one to be on that CRT low. It created very good CRT model on daily time frame. We have manipulation candle and then have that Thursday low. That's Thursday low. So when we take a short position here, it will be our taking profit number one, and then on that daily demand, it will be our taking profit number two, and then we get a reversal to uptrend. Okay. So until now, we identify already taking profit targets. So where we can enter, you can mark this today's range, that Friday range, and then after spotting this range, can find short position from where? From premium zone. So we are going to divide this on premium discount on lower time frame. Let's shift to for her. And for her, when you divide premium and discount levels on that daily range, you recognize that we have supply zone on discount zone. On a premium zone, we have that supply zone that located on premium zone. So here is where we are going to find short position from. So on Monday, we're supposed to wait retracement back to that supply, and then wait rejection candle for our rejection candle, and then can sell directly, taking profit in a while to be on that area. And then taking profit number two, it will be where? It will be on that discount level. Okay. So for next week, we have to wait confirmation on that area, and then our taking profit will be on that area. Also, can see on left side, there is a lot of liquidity and resty over here. So this attracts price to sweep that liquidity. So price may drop aggressive to that discount level, and then we'll find a buy. So that is it on Goldie for her. Also can shift your time frame on her, can recognize that on extreme zone, there is 1 hour supply located. So if we can get a deep retracement, you find a short position from that 1 hour supply zone. So that is extreme zone on 1 hour time frame. That is extreme zone on 1 hour time frame. So it's confirmation, and then you can take a sell So on Monday, right after market open, you can scalp a buy, wait confirmation, reverse market structure on bottom frame, and then you can find a buy until price it reach that for our supply or when our supply, and then can find short position. Okay, so let us stick with the for hour because higher time frame is stronger than lower time frame. We can stick with that for hour time frame. Okay, so there is high probability of price retracement back to that what supply zone because there is rejection. You can see that candle closed the inside this range, did not cross below. So that indicates retracement will occur soon. Okay. So that is perfect entry on gold for next week. I expect it to take a short position until price reach that previous unmitigated daily demand. And then after then, we will find buys, I think, on January. We take a long position, hold it until December. It will be bullish. It will be bullish. So that is it on Goldie. In case this will never get any confirmation on that supply zone, it means price will break that high. So do not enter without confirmation. Wait confirmation for taking a short position. If price will never show you any kind of confirmation, do not enter. It will break that previous high. So when price break that previous high, can wait to retest and then we will find buys after a breakout of that previous high, okay, which has low probability has to break that high because weekly bias is bearish and daily bias is bearish. See, on daily time frame, Friday candle closed the bearish with the rejection. Also on weekly time frame, closed the last week it closed the bearish with the rejection. So the bias is bearish next week as with how much percent? Like in 90% bias is bearish for next week on gold. Because on weekly time frame bias is bearish, also on daily bias is bearish. On daily time frame bias is bearish. On 4 hour, we get that setup. We found that setup on 4 hour. So that is it on gold. Let us see Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD start with the week. When you start with the weekly time frame, you can see daily bias is bullish on monthly time frame. Previous month closed with the rejection. So our target this month is to reach that previous month high. That is our target this month. Price to reach that previous month high. So to find the buys, weekly time frame last week candle closed bullish, so it indicates continuation of uptrend. Okay, on daily time frame, you can see there is market structure piece. Okay, there is a sweep here. After that sweep, we have a break of structural market shifting on daily time frame. So you can see there is break of structure means continuation of upward trend. After creation of that structure, you can see retracement. There is retracement where price retraced back to that daily fair value gap, and then after you can see candle closure inside previous candle high, previous candle low. So it indicates what? You can see there is that rejection candle, manipulation candle. It closed within that previous or Thursday candle low. So that indicates reversal pattern. That indicates reversal pattern. So for Monday, we have to find buys directly when you enter without confirmation of time frame, that will be your entry, swing entry on daily time frame on Euro USD. That it will be your swing entry that has took a screenshot. So you will remember, let me take a screenshot so I can preserve that information on Euro USD on daily time frame. Okay, let us continue. On daily time frame, we have to find buy for a swing traders. Okay, let us shift it to lower time frame to find low risky entry. So when you shift it to 4 hour, on 4 hour time frame, details available. Okay, when you shift your time frame to lower time frame, can recognize that on 4 hour, we have that FVG imbalance that located on where on discount. So previously we have that impulsive move. You can see we have that impulsive move, and then that was corrective move to discount zone. You can see price corrected successfully to that discount zone and then on that discount zone we found imbalance, that FVG. So after retracement to that discount zone, you can see candle closure for how it closed. You can see it closed with a manipulation. It closed with a manipulation, rejection. So it rejected that zone. It indicates a reversal pattern. It is going to happen. Shift your time frame to lower time frame. When you shift to lower time frame on how there is no information available, on 30 minutes, we find the point of interest where I can get in for a long position. On 30 minutes, there is fair value gap where price is ranging right now. There is that FVG where price is ranging right now. So shift your time frame to 15 minutes. When you shift it to 15 minutes, what's the details available on 15 minutes? We can find point of interest on lower time frame. So I wait a little bit here. What is problem? Okay, on 15 minutes, there is no any point of interest, but you can see here there is rejection candle, which indicates that price will be pushed up until it reach that CRT high on 15 minutes. So you have to shift it to 5 minutes. Shift it to 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, data is available. You can see there is a mitigated demand rest below here. So on Monday, we expect to take a long position from that area, from that demand, and then your stop will be on that previous low. It will be on that previous low for in case there is any manipulation occurred, you will be safe. You will be safe. Okay. So on Monday, we expect it to enter a long position from that demand, and then our target you can return to higher time frame to get a clear target. Taking profit number one, it will be on that previous high, and then taking profit number two, it will be on that weekly high. Okay, so that is it. That is it on Euro USD for next week. Very, very clear. It is very, 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 very clear. Very, very clear. Okay. So I hope when you enter Euro USD, you're supposed to hold that trade until it reaches that taking profit area. So there's tight stop loss, which encourage you, it allow you to enter big position, big lot size where you can risk just a little because there is how many pips in risky? Almost 10 pips in risking and reward target 140, 140, 140 pips, 140 pips kwa kuriski pips 10 tu. So it is very good entry. It is very good entry to take a trade for that pair Euro USD. So that is clear, very, very clear. For another information, another update, stick on community. If you want quick and everyday entry, you can join our premium where we have good results. Okay, see you on next week.